I'm trying to be a little bit more detailed or nuanced. Because I want to be able to answer this question, but I also just really don't know. I've been able to do it. Alright, ready?